Hey guys.
Hey guys, so today I'm
It's
gonna
Tia Edition.
I'm gonna do a video. It's actually the Bluetooth keyboard unboxing video. Look at this. I my father helped me buy because I need to do this for my video. So here's a box.
It's not just a
Bluetooth
video.
keyboard slim fashion design experience. Here's the picture. It's applied to iPad, iPhone, or Windows. $28. Model is RF7300. Here's the in front. Here's the side plain. Here's the other side plain. And bottom is the same thing. Let's move down to the back. And here it says that it's the same thing.
Bluetooth 3.0.
And keyboard specification that other things, and yeah, it's black.
Operation. I think we don't
Here's
need
the
to
QR
go
code.
through this. I think we don't need to go through this. You can pause if you want to see.
Help me to like control. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And let's open this. I'm so excited. Okay.
Yeah, I'm so excited. Me too. I think we don't.
Do you want to on the
Do
light?
you take the battery out?
Yeah. Wait. I'm gonna insert the battery. Yeah. On the light.
Sorry guys, I help you.
This is better.
So let's get
It's
to
actually not that better.
open.
Okay.
I open.
I open it. Okay. Just open it. Okay. Let's open it.
Open this side.
Oh yeah, this yeah.
Okay.
Well, there's a battery. It's Sony New Ultra, and here's the keyboard. Oh my god.
What if it's
It's real. Oh my god, it's real. Oh my god. Okay, it's red, so I'm gonna take it off. My god, this is so cool. So this is the keyboard.
you can connect it?
Yeah, there's the Bluetooth here. And there's all the other keyboard commands. You wanna hold?
Okay.
Hold and see. Okay, go to the back. Like move to the back.
Just put it there.
Okay. And here's like the stand. Oh yeah, and here's the connect button. As you can see here. Can't really see. Connect button. The battery slot. Insert the batteries. And yeah, it's just a stand. It's a very nice keyboard. And smell metal. Okay. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'm gonna post more game videos playing with this. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And thank you my sister for helping me in this video. See something.
I never even.
Let's see. Okay, and yeah, bye guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, I'll see you later. Bye. Peace.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.